Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channels in life and beauty. Parents, when it become a healing of patience or reflection of the soul, Myanmar is born. Dad believe it's not simply fabric or threads. Emotional conversations between art and identity, every curve, every fold, every subtle shimmer tell a story of grace that can be not be imitated, only fault. Like jewelry and hair strands, like silk and emotion stitches into form. When the designer first remember dress, they just don't think of an accident. Fabric should become architecture. How learning could shape confidence, how color would express the vision we get, not with scissor or sketchbook, but with inspirations raw for nature, quite majestic. The soft of rhythm of the vine throat, unseen tree, glamour of sunrise on polished marble. Here to dance, the sound of this element become the sound message behind every detail, giving birth to a piece that feels internal to wear the Myanmar dress is to step into a story much larger than fashions. It's a declaration of a reminder that true beauty does not shoot, it does not demand attention, it untilt the gentle strip of the skirt and the way the light sketches every contours, all the movement blend into one fluid of movement, whether you are standing before your own journey. The mimatas move with you, never overshadowing you, but enhancing the every essence of you are care. There is a philosophy behind every stitches. Each seam represents patience, every thread dedication. The artisans who bring the mimar dress to life work not the haste but with heart. Their hand the wisdom of tradition. Their minds brings innovations. There now that the first spark, first designs to the final press of the iron, the process is scarred, unbroken of craftsmanship that honor the art of slow